Today we're going to be doing the unboxing and review of the Armogear Rechargeable Laser Battle Set. Hey everybody, I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Chandler.
And this is Damaged Darts, where we specialize in converting ordinary NERF blasters into extraordinary prop blasters from popular video games and movies, and show you how you can do it too. If you like what you see on this channel, won't you be so kind as to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, leave a thumbs up like, and a positive comment below. Today though, we're going to be doing an unboxing review of the new Armogear Rechargeable Laser Battle Set. So let's get started. All right, so here it is. Let's pop this open and see what we got.
Move it into the camera a little bit there. And right there, that should be good. Might need it for a couple things inside here. Okay. Looks like we got something already in these.
Those look like the silencers.
That looks pretty cool.
We'll find out how those work here shortly. There you go, another one right there.
There we go.
Looks like we got one of the charging stations. Take a little protection. Yep, pretty cool. We'll see how those work. And then there's one of the charging stations. We got the orange blaster, the green blaster. Looks like they got it color coded there.
I think you put the blasters in here as well as the chest.
Yep, there's the plug-in. Got the plug-in. Looks like this is one of the rechargeable. Nope, this is the adapter, plug-in adapter. Looks like USB, so that's pretty cool.
Put that in.
Here's red team, blue team charger docking station. And I believe this is for the. Looks like these are for the blasters, and these are for the chest pieces.
Yeah. Yep.
All right. So and then we got the instruction manual. I'm gonna hand that to you.
All right, read about this here. Okay, so it comes with 4 laser battle guns, 4 laser battle vests, 4 silencers, 2 charging docks, USB, and power adapter.
Yep. Now these look real similar to the other ones because you got that resetter, the selector.
It's almost the same.
Pretty much it is. But then
Might be a little more refined.
except for there's your docking. Yeah, I think so. But
barely.
But if anything, it's the same with the docking port right there in the handle of the blaster. So that's pretty cool. We got blue team.
Looks like they still have the same weapon. So they have pistol mode, shotgun mode, machine gun mode, and rocket mode. And they also, I'm gonna find where they have the 4. I think they have a couple different modes for.
There's the chest pieces. Now the chest pieces on the new part on this too, it just before the old one lit up on how many hits, this actually shows the digital number right here in the centerpiece on how many times you've been hit. Or it could be wrong, or how many times you've hit her. Yeah, probably how many times you've been hit, how many more you've got left until game over.
Yeah, it says digital score display.
So
shows remaining lives. Yeah, you were correct.
Alright, so I'm gonna hand that apart.
Doctor.
And we got the green team, orange team, and the orange blaster. So now I'm assuming then that this, there's no battery port on this, so I believe the battery, the rechargeable power source is already in the blaster. You just lock this in. So chances are, once you're done with that, what do we got in the manual? I'm assuming
Go ahead and take a look at that.
I'm assuming this isn't powered up, so you've got to put it in to charge it up for X amount of time. Let's see. All right, so I took a look at this, and it looks like it comes pre-charged because I went ahead and pushed the power button.
Receiver off.
So that's the receiver off.
And the chest pieces are also pre-charged there.
Yep.
So that shows the number right there. That's pretty cool.
And this one said the receiver's off because you can play this with just the blaster mode non-chest piece as well. So
yeah.
We've got, let's try. And you get that vibrate every time you make the fire, and I believe this changes in between.
No, that reloads it.
Yeah, that reloads your ammo. And then there's your weapon selector right there to shotgun, pistol, however you want it.
Shotgun. Machine gun.
Oh, gotta load. Cool. All right.
And then there should be rocket.
Yeah, and rocket, and that's that big one. So this is super cool that it comes pre-charged. You get 2 hours of playtime, and then you put the blasters and the chest pieces into the docking station. It'll go red when it's in charging process, and then the lights will go green when it is fully charged. So,
and it should last about 2 hours.
Yeah, I did say I said 2 hours.
So,
yeah, I was mentioning 2 hours. That's what the playtime is. That's more than enough time. So here's our super cool mess of stuff. Let's see. I think we've got the silencers now. Oh, I'm guessing according to we'll have to check this out and see what the gameplay is. But the silencer just clips over there. I'm guessing it blocks out how much.
I think maybe here, turn it on.
Let me pull it up. Let me check out the manual here and see what we got. All right, so we got everything set up. One thing that you've got to be very cautious with I would honestly say is a downside to this system is this silencer barrel. Now how it works, I'm not going to do this right now, but I'll go ahead and take the blaster out of the docking station. This slides on to these ribbed areas. There's these little wedges here and here that make it adhere to this area, and it slides on. Now to take it off, do not bend it. Chances are this could easily happen because we already ended up breaking a barrel. Don't bend it when you're taking it off. You're supposed to just grip it firmly and pull away. But it's a little tough, and to where you may even need a small screwdriver to wedge up underneath here to work this barrel off. That's the one downside to this that may need to be improved a bit, and then in the future systems for this silencer barrel to be able to go on and come off a lot easier than this one does right now. So be careful when you slide it on, take a firm grip, and you're just supposed to pull away to dislodge it from those ribbed areas on that part of the barrel. All right, so we're gonna give these a try. So I got my manual here. We're gonna try and follow along and figure this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my chest piece here.
Turn your blaster on.
And this is looks like we get the team that you can select and the volume.
I think you hold it down for volume. Yeah.
Okay, and then hold it back up.
Down.
High volume.
Okay, so I'm already on high volume. And then team, I'm on blue.
Yeah, that's the one you want. And I've already got orange on mine, so I'm gonna turn this one on.
All right, so we're separate teams.
Okay, and this one's already
off on. I'm gonna turn my blaster on. Okay, the receiver's off, which is fine because we're playing with the chess pieces. If you do the receiver off, then what happens? You want the receiver on these if you're gonna be using just the blaster for the game. So if you have the receiver on, it'll just be these. You don't need the chess pieces. But for this purpose to test it out, of course, you're gonna want the chess piece. So you're gonna be doing team battles. So you know how many times you've been hit. Looks like we each get 9 hits.
Yeah, that's the 9 lives.
So it'll be a countdown. So as you're hit, boom, 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 down to 0.
Yeah.
To game over. So okay, so that's how that works. We've got you hold that down, it'll go to low volume or high volume, or if you hold it down, if you just tap it, excuse me, it'll select your team, which will be
color.
blue, orange, red, or green teams. So even if you did have a red or a green blaster, that's fine. If you had 2-on-2, you just both make sure each team selects whatever color team they've agreed on, and vice versa. Yeah. So you have red against blue, and so on. So let's try this out. I've got what do I have for my weapon here?
Oh, dude, make sure you. There you go.
Okay.
I think you accidentally clicked it to the other one.
Oh yeah, and then there is also a team selector on your blaster. So I had blue here.
Yeah, make sure both of those are matched up when you do that. When you're doing the vests.
Yep. So matched up. So I got blue here, blue here. Now my weapon. Got machine gun. Let's just try pistol. Because machine gun's like rapid
Mine's
fire.
On pistol,
okay.
So
rocket. Okay, so pistol. So we're on that. Let's give that a try. Oh, I gotta load.
Load first.
Okay, loaded.
Yep.
Okay, now try
and then
yours.
it vibrates on there.
Okay, so then countdown to game over.
Yeah.
Now, I'm curious on silent mode. Now, apparently it says you gotta point your blaster
I think it's the sensor.
Is it the sensor?
So when you click it on.
And then, okay, let's try that. Ooh, it did go down.
Yeah, see, it's a lot
so
quieter.
you point it towards your chest and click that on.
Wait, is yours still on?
Oh.
No. Make sure. Like, shoot that. It is.
Yeah, so I pointed it towards my chest and put it on. I don't know if you
Okay,
did
so
that
I
yet.
don't think I did mine correctly. So, but that's what it's supposed to do. So it turns off the lights on both this and that.
So they can't see your lights, and they can and then they really can't. So your volume goes down too. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. See, it's quieter. See, mine's off, but for some reason, I think I didn't line
See, and
it
then I
up
got you,
correctly.
and you didn't hear me.
Yeah.
But it's still.
Oh,
boom.
but see, see, it disappears. So if I hit you, it'll light
still
up
registers
and
as
say,
a count, so you know you're hit, and it still counts as a hit, but you just don't see the light.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's really cool. But what's
Whoa.
that? I don't know. Weird. But again, on this barrel, so this is a super cool addition to the toy. However, like we had said earlier, be very careful when you take it off. We kind of had a crack on us. It wasn't broken. Luckily, there are little screws you can open up and put it right back together, and it'll work fine. But just be very careful when you take it off. Let's try it. In fact, let's not tilt it. I'm gonna grab mine firmly and pull up.
I'm gonna turn my blaster off.
So, there. Okay, so this isn't too bad. You just grab firmly on that cylinder and pull up. It will come off. Don't bend it back and forth. You will potentially break it.
Yeah.
So again, I'm gonna put it back on. So, oh yeah, and when I took it off, lights come back on.
I think
What I should have done, I think I have to point it at my chest. So here, the sensor. Oops.
There. Okay. Yep.
So point it at the vest, put this on, then everything goes silent mode. To reverse that, point it back at your chest, take it off, everything goes back to normal.
Yep.
And then
whoops, I think I turned mine off first.
okay. Make sure your team's right. You're on green.
Yep. I'm on no team.
Okay.
Okay. Let me turn it back on again.
Oh, it reset it.
There
Okay,
we
but
go.
we're back on. Okay.
Yeah, mine went back into that mode there.
So again, let me try this one more time. I'm going to point this at my chest. So the sensors are on there. I'm going to slip it over. Boom, lights out. We're good. Are you back on now?
Yeah, I'm still on. You just turned me off.
I did?
You turned
Sorry. Are you on there?
Yes, I'm still on.
Okay. Okay. And then I'm on silent mode, and then again, if you're going to go back to normal, point it at the chest. Firm grip on that cylinder. Take that off. Boom. We're back on. Lights on the chest. And we're all set. So that's a really cool addition. And again, these are rechargeable on top of that. So without further ado, let's get some other people in on this and do a full battle and see how things work out. I'm looking
that'll
forward
be
to it.
really fun.
Force him out, David. There you go, good. Go as you can. Uh-oh. Oh, you got me. Yeah, all right. Ah, you got me!
Oh, she
got me.
Ooh.
Keep going, David.
She
You
got
got
you
me.
with the rocket.
I know. She got me with the rocket. I forgot to change mine. I just went straight pistol. Here we go. Hey, David, bring her around the corner.
Got you!
Oh!
One again!
Wait, how did the rocket not get her?
Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed watching that unboxing and review of the new Armogear Rechargeable Laser Battle Set. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, just click the double D icon below. Also check out some of our other videos. Until next time, I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Chandler.
And this is Damaged Darts.